Hey guys, Matthew with Freedom here, doing another pre-drywall inspection. Just another reason to get a pre-drywall inspection done. Apparently the trade that was hired to do this zip system was not licensed or qualified because every house I'm looking at out here is wrong. The way that they've done this tape around the windows, where they've overlapped it between vertical points to horizontal points. But every single one of these houses is probably wrong. You can see there are 4 that are done. Please get a pre-drywall inspection, because apparently the builder is not catching this stuff either, and code enforcement isn't taking a deeper dive into what the installation standards are. Took me like 2 seconds. We don't deal with zip system very often, but it's actually a pretty great product when it's installed properly. This stuff is what's going to prevent water from getting in your house. But if you can see here, if I can do my arm right, this zip system just above this window, it's not properly lapped. The part that's vertical is going underneath the part that's horizontal. So if that tape isn't exactly sealed properly, then you're going to get water intrusion at that point. So again, pre-drywall inspection, can't emphasize it enough. Have a great day.